Hello and welcome back. So in here we're looking at how to search for character sets. So what are character sets? Well, let's give an example here. But these are the common character sets: 0 to 9, A to Z, and A to Z. So because it's case sensitive, so this A to Z is not the same as this A to Z, unless you specify that you are using a case insensitive flag. So let's go back to regex101.com and let's do some testing here, right? So we have different kind of text here. We have numbers, we have letters, and so on, and symbols. So what I want to do here is search for just the numbers in here. So I can do something like 0 to 9. Now this dash here, literally, if let's say I had a dash somewhere in my sentence, or I don't know, it's a hyphen, right? It's not really a special character of any kind, because I can search for it directly here just by typing that. However, if I put this one inside some square brackets, let's say square bracket like this, okay, and then I put 0 to 9 like so. So now it becomes a set here, or a sequence of some kind, right? You can call this a range. Actually, that's the word I was looking for, a character range. So this is a range from 0 to 9. So it's going to match any number that is from 0 to 9. So as you can see, all the numbers are matched because all numbers belong to this. Now you're not restricted to using 0 to 9. Let me zoom in a little bit here. Because what you can do is you can say, let's say 4 to 9. So as you can see, it ignores 2 and 3, and it just starts from 4 to 9. You can put also 8 to 9 like this. Okay. Now you can put these patterns in sequence. Let's say I want to match any number between 2 and 3, and then I'll match any number above that. So here I can put something like 0 to 3 like that, and then I match that, and then I can put another sequence here if I want to, and I can say this one will be from let's say 5 to 9. Actually, let's not get ahead of ourselves here. We're going to do this shortly. So for now, we're going to ignore that. What we just look at is sequences here. Let's go to the A to Z small letters here. So as you can see, if I remove the global, the case insensitive here, I can put capital letters here. Oops, what am I doing? A, B, C, D, E, F. So as you can see, these are not matched by this one unless I change them, or I change this to, what did I do here? Anchored. Oh, okay, that's why. So unless, yeah, let me come back here. So you see this is not matched with the small letters unless I change to case insensitive, in which case it will match them. So you can either change to case insensitive, or you can change these to capital versions of themselves. So A to Z. Now, just like we did with numbers, I can still do D to Z like that, or D to Z, depending on where you're from. So as you can see, it ignores A, B, C, but it goes ahead and matches D, E, F because they are part of the other pattern over there. So easy peasy to do. If you just want to match numbers, that's what you do. If you want to match letters, numbers 0 to 9, like so. You want to match letters A to Z. If you want to match capital letters, capital A to capital Z. Pretty straightforward. Now, so far what you can see is that even when it's matching here, it's matching single characters. You see these matches are one by one. There's A, B, C, D, etc., etc. even here, these are matched individually. So even though I type a sequence 0 to 9, let's see here, 0 to 9, you see that these numbers are not matched as 1. So let's say you had a phone number here and says 09, whatever the number is. Let me not put letters in there like that. This will not be matched as a single number, but as individual numbers. As you can see down here, the numbers are matched individually. So in the next video, we'll look at how to combine these results, how to match groups of letters and numbers. I'll see you then.